The world can now start to breathe a sigh of relief as countries begin recording lower numbers of the novel coronavirus. India, which is one of the world's hardest hit countries by the pandemic, has started relaxing its strict coronavirus lockdown measures. Meanwhile, in Kenya, as of today, a total of 953,954 persons have so far been vaccinated against the COVID-19 disease countrywide, as the country targets to hit the 1 million vaccination mark despite the looming shortage of the virus. Daniel Karuki with the full details.
India, one of the countries in the globe that for weeks has been struggling to gasp for air, crippled by the harsh effects of the novel coronavirus, can now slowly begin breathing freely.
One of the big challenges, our colleagues, nearly 750 people.
India's capital, New Delhi, will start relaxing its strict coronavirus lockdown next week if new cases continue to drop in the city, according to Chief Minister of the country.
People, kids and people need...
The Nation on Sunday reported 240,842 new infections nationwide over the last 24 hours, the lowest daily new cases in more than a month, with 3,741 deaths.
It's becoming a challenge.
The situation is almost similar in the country as a positivity rate of below 10% is being maintained in the country. Today, Kenya recording 7.4% positivity rate with 324 new cases of COVID-19.
Others remain skeptical.
The number of deaths is, however, still alarming as 10 more people succumbed to the virus in the last 24 hours. This now brings the total number of deaths to 3,059. Daniel Karuki for Switch TV News.